Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can add any application icon to desktop and taskbar. So adding to taskbar is easy. Just press Windows and search for any application that you want. Let's say I want to add Roblox to desktop, right? So I can just right click on this and click on pin to taskbar, and as you can see it appears here in taskbar. Now if you want to show this in desktop, what you can do is search for Roblox and click on this open file location, and the folder where Roblox player shortcut is will appear. Just right click on this and click on show more options. Here click on send to, and then click on desktop. Now close this, and as you can see Roblox player is added to desktop. And you can just right click on this and click on delete to remove this from here. And similarly you can just right click on this and click on unprint from taskbar, and it will be removed from taskbar. So this is how you can add shortcuts to desktop and to taskbar, and how you can remove them. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.